Hi, I am Sebastian Putz. I am a PhD student and I am the chemical engineer here in the automation team at IFG at KIT. We are currently working on the autonomous production of particles for DNA purification. These particles are synthesized either using a liquid handling station by Opentrons or a microfluidic system by Zhilun. For analysis of the particles, we use either a multimode plate reader by Tecan or a Melbourne satirizer. To enable the transfer between these devices, use a robot arm by Universal Robots. The manual particle production is a very tedious and time-intensive task. Due to the many repetitive steps, it is highly error-prone and fatigues the scientist. To relieve the scientist, avoid any errors and drastically speed up the development time, we automated the whole lab.
Hi everyone, I'm Zhilun, engineer in sensor system technology and lab automation. Let's take a look at issues in lab automation in university environments. This demands high customizability, requiring scientists to adapt their coding, often facing challenges like extensive training in Python and device operation. Traditional systems are time-consuming and lack automation, compiling manual script writing and scheduling for device operation. SiLA offers seamless integration and communication with various laboratory instruments. With SiLA tools, the development and customization of drivers are simple and fast. From data management to resource allocation, SiLA Server provides building blocks you need. Accessing and using these components is made easy with clients like SiLA Orchestrator.
I'm Praveen Anantha, an engineer of sensor systems and automation. Before automation is done, every worksite should be calibrated. For calibration, a simple camera is mounted onto a robot arm. The camera uses machine learning and AI algorithms to know the positions of the sample holders, and the individual sample holders are distinguished using a small QR code. Once the workflow is calibrated, the scientists can work more productively. In this way, we can not only reduce the human error, but also we can boost the throughput of the experiments.